Welcome to Rob's Rules, where the rules are simple. They're ours. I'm here, you're there, and today we're going to talk about how desperate Amber Heard is getting in this case. That she's trying to pull anything she can. And this article comes from Cineblend, so let's go over it right now. Depp's lawyer calls a Hail Mary as Amber Heard tries to get lawsuit dismissed yet again. This comes from Cineblend. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are still fighting out their defamation suit and countersuit in Virginia, as things have amped up in the recent weeks with depositions requested and taken and more. Yet recently, reports indicate Amber Heard's legal team has tried to get the U.S.-based lawsuit dismissed, arguing that the findings in the UK libel suit should be adopted. As for Depp's lawyer, he's calling it a Hail Mary. Now, Hail Mary basically is a desperation play in the game of American football, if you guys don't know. It's basically where the person who's called the quarterback takes the football, and it's like the end of the game. They're down, they're desperate, so he throws the ball as far as he can in hopes that his teammate will catch the ball and they'll win the game in the goal. That's really what a Hail Mary is called, and that's why Benjamin Chew is calling this a Hail Mary. Desperation on the part of Amber Heard and her team to try and get the case dismissed. And why? We all know why. Because the truth is coming out, and Amber's team is desperate to do anything not to go to trial. Let's continue reading. Recently, Amber Heard's legal team filed a motion to stay discovery. So basically, stay discovery means that they want to stop Johnny Depp from trying to get the information he needs to go with this case. They're trying to stop it. That's what a stay means. Recently, Amber Heard's legal team filed a motion to stay discovery, as I said, on the defamation claims, and also a memorandum in support of her motion for leave. Her team believes that due to the libel case results, which found in favor of the Sun after the outlet called Johnny Depp a wife-beater, that the judgment rendered should be applicable in the U.S. as well. The motion reads, with the finality of the judgment rendered after Mr. Depp presented his best evidence and arguments on the exact same factual issues assessed here, Mr. Depp should be precluded from seeking yet another bite of the apple, which he fully adjudicated his dispute and lost. Because of the UK judgment, the entire world may now say forever that Mr. Depp is a wife-beater and has committed at least 12 acts of domestic violence against Amber Heard, causing her to be in fear of her life. In short, the UK judgment now final permits this court to end the litigation. According to Johnny Depp's attorney Benjamin Chew, however, this is not the first time Amber Heard's legal team has tried to get the $50 million defamation lawsuit dismissed. He noted that this is just the latest Hail Mary from Amber Heard's legal team, and her team has tried to get defamation lawsuit thrown out 3 times over the past 2 years. Depp's team believes Amber Heard's op-ed in the Washington Post was defamatory and cost the actor work, which it did. We all know that Johnny Depp lost Fantastic Beasts role, even though he still got paid, thank God. And Disney canceled him from being Captain Jack Sparrow from the Pirates of the Caribbean. The case seems to be moving forward in Virginia, but they have been costly, with deposition requests and more coming from both sides. Amber Heard has been looking into Disney and what the company knew about Johnny Depp's actions and behavior during his time on the Pirates of the Caribbean films. For his part, Depp has asserted Amber Heard has lied on several occasions, including saying she would give their divorce settlement to charity, but didn't, and also said Heard had asserted Depp was violent once when body cam footage allegedly showed otherwise. Heard's lawyer also said that the Aquaman 2 actress has not been able to pay out full divorce settlement to charity due to the ongoing litigation. This time, Amber Heard's attorney did manage to file an amended defense. The 2 celebrities are expected to return to court in July for a hearing. The trial itself is expected to take 4 weeks and will not be a part of the court system until next spring. So there's likely a long time to go for a verdict to be achieved. Now, the hearing they're talking about in July is the ACLU and Johnny Depp, Manhattan, in New York Supreme Court. Basically what happened there, and we've gone over on the live stream in case you missed it, that Johnny Depp is going after the ACLU because he wants evidence. He wants proof. He wants facts. Did she donate? Did she donate? If she did donate, how much did she donate? He wants facts and they're not giving it. And it's also been proven, if you caught the live stream, that the ACLU wrote the original op-ed. Amber Heard's attorney took things out of it, edited it, put things in it because of their non-disclosure agreement, the NDA, which basically they can't put in things like husband and Depp and my former husband and actor. You know, they had to try to make it seem as if they weren't talking about Johnny Depp. Yet they were talking about Johnny Depp. And those emails proved without a shadow of a doubt that they were talking about Johnny Depp. And he's correct. And we all know from what we've seen that he's the one who's been suffering from work. Lately, Amber Heard is in Aquaman 2. She's been in The Stand. She's been in this movie Gully. So she's been working. Now you can say, well, Johnny was in City of Lies. Yes, but this was previously done. Now we know Minamata's coming out. At least he's got that going for him. But he was let go of Fantastic Beasts 3 and, as I said earlier, Pirates of the Caribbean, Captain Jack Sparrow, which Amber Heard hasn't been let go of anything at all. So his work has suffered. Not because of who he is, but because of this claim that the UK judge, and their judgment is now being disproven, as we've shown on this channel, through body cam footage, through Amber Heard not donating. These things have been proven time and time again. So, they're desperate. And Benjamin Chu is saying, it's like a Hail Mary, you're desperate. You're trying to get the case dismissed because of all this evidence popping up with the charities that wasn't there in the UK case and the body cam footage. And now the emails from the ACU. This evidence is way overwhelming in Johnny Depp's favor. And I can't understand to this date why on earth anybody would think that Amber Heard is the one innocent here with all this stuff showing up. With the police saying that they never found anything wrong with the apartment, yet Amber Heard, Josh Drew, and Raquel Pennington said differently. They even said the police did find damage. And the police said, no, we didn't. And that's why we didn't file a report. But that wasn't good enough for the UK judge. She never gave the charity. And he said, well, she can't be a gold digger if she gave the charity. Like she said in the interview in 2018, she said she gave it all to charity. Apparently, she didn't. And the ACLU is now trying to hide because they want it to be a political statement. Desperation on Amber's team continues. And the judge says this continues and I find this all moot, you're going to get sanctioned because I'm getting tired of all this paperwork. And they had to play already Johnny Depp's attorneys because they were tired of doing paperwork for all the things that Amber Heard's team has been opposing that Johnny's been filing. But you let me know what you think of all this in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check my description down below for Twitter and the Discord, which is free. Check out my store. And if you have any ideas, you could always let me know. And with that being said, I'll see you soon. Take care. Be well and be safe. Till next time.